Is vlog po ng Watermark Makati. Meron po kaming active listing na 347. Then, total marketplace listing po is 4. Then, total active ads is 16. Estimate inquiry per day is 8. This week, inquiry converted to sale is 50,000 with 5 transaction. Yung top listing ko po is, yung number 1 ko po is premium, yung premium polo shirt. Premium polo shirt, 10 na nag-inquiry ba, receive. Total transaction is 6 and total amount is 5,820. Yung number 2 ko po is yung special polo combi. 8 na nag-inquiry receive, then total transaction is 5, total amount po is 8,350. Then yung top 3 ko po na listing po is white bag, 5 po na nag-inquiry receive, total transaction is 4, ang total amount is 5,400. Then 5 listing need to revise po yung isa lang po, yung sa BBM Sara election. Papalitan po siya ng title, gagawin po siyang election giveaways, and papalitan din po siya ng mga picture na kung anong gustong design na magpapagawa ng customer. Then na-post ko na listing this week is 14. Wala naman po akong kulang. Yan lang po. Thank you.